Hi all, welcome to Beanie Composter. Before I get the Mini up and running, I just wanted to do one last experiment. We're due for some heavy rain this weekend, and I've always wondered, because when we sort of get heavy rain, especially as autumn and winter comes, the temperature on the Hotbin always seems to drop quite a bit. So I did wonder if any water does actually get into your Hotbin while you get heavy rain, and what I mean is where the aeration valve is opened, whether water collects there and just seeps through. So today I'm just doing an experiment on the Hotbin to see if any water does actually get inside the Hotbin. I've put a weighted, water bottle in there just to keep, the bin weighted down, and taken the aeration plate out so we can see if any water actually gets in there. So join me later on where we'll see if any water did actually get in there and if we did get any heavy rain like they forecast. We had quite a lot of rain overnight and this morning sun's come out in the afternoon, which is really great for us to carry on filming this. And with the aeration valve you want to have it at a 2 to 3 millimeter gap. I do open it a little bit more in the summer sometimes if the Hotbin is getting really hot, but in the winter keep it at 2 to 3 millimeters. Let's have a look at see what water has actually come in, if any. Like I say, we left this in just natural conditions. It was outside with the aeration valve how you would normally set it with a normal setup, and we had pretty much like quite heavy rain overnight and this morning. And if we look at what's gone on inside, so I did have a quick peek and there is a little bit of water in here, but I don't quite know how much. So this bottle that I put in there with water just to weigh it down, that definitely hasn't got any leak going on in there, so the water hasn't come from that. And if you look inside here, hopefully that's coming out on camera. Luckily we're using the Mini here, so I've got the leach aid tap thing that I can use to get the water out, and we can measure how much has come out. Well, we need the jug there straight away. One day's rainfall, we've collected 100 millilitres of water in the Hotbin that's obviously gone through, the aeration valve, or maybe crept through some other parts. But 100 ml is quite a lot of water, and maybe that explains that when you get heavy rainfall, that your compost can go quite damp and cold quickly. So bearing that in mind, I would say if there's heavy rainfall, then I'd be tempted to put in a lot more paper to counteract that water. I hope this video has helped you out and explained to you that your Hotbin isn't completely waterproof. So if it is in the open elements and there's no cover over it, when there is heavy rain you are going to get some water going in there, as well as what you're putting in with your waste. So once again, thank you for everyone who subscribed, and this isn't the end of the Beanie Composter, but it is just, it isn't going to be every week from now on, but we will be posting videos. But because of the way, our work schedules are and things like, the clocks have gone back, and it's too dark in the evenings for us, and the weekend we feel sometimes we're missing out on taking the little one out, so it won't be every week from now on. So there will be videos posted But thank you very much for watching. Keep composting, keep letting us know how you're getting on, and until next time, happy composting and enjoy.